We are at Sesame Place. Oh, look, there's the sign. You see it says Sesame Place up there. Oh yeah, the green roller coaster's going. She's like wondering what a green roller coaster is. But it is around 2 o'clock. Yes, we had to wait. Tomorrow's Izzy's last school day. But it's going to be a super fun day. And we are headed in. Yay! I don't see Thomas, but maybe we will. All right, let's get our day started. All right, here we go. I don't see Thomas today, but get our passes at, and let's head in. And I think we're going to just go right to get something to eat first before we do anything else, because we are all starving, did not eat lunch yet. We're sitting at a table eating, and the parade's starting. Well, it was after 2 when we got here. Parade's at 3. There it is. Look at that. But we didn't get a spot. We got a table. Couldn't find one right next to the parade. The pom-poms! There's the pom-poms! She's pointing at the pom-poms. That's what she wanted to see. There's Abby. Who else is coming? You know, I haven't seen Oscar in the parade. It's half connected. Cookie Monster! Look at these guys sitting there trying to wave at people. Oh, somebody must have had a Cookie Monster. He's pointing on. I see someone. Say cookie! Let him go. Oh, here's where it's going to stop. Aw, he's waving. He's waving the cow. He gave it. There he is.
I know this isn't exactly the alphabet song you're used to. It's got rhythm, tradition, so stand back. I can I see Grover. What's up, my friend? He said,
Perhaps this number song will inspire you, Abby. Ooh, I like this beat.
We'll see. We never built this then with the special pom-poms. Well, a long time ago. Wow, look at that. There goes Thomas over there. Look at him go. Paige got 2 pom-poms, and we weren't even sitting for the break. I was coming. Alright, here is our first ride of the day. It's going to be Abby's Fairy Falls. Yeah, I know. Woohoo! Yeah, is it fun? Yeah, you like going down here, don't you? And it doesn't look like there's a line over there. Maybe we'll head over there. There is a cool breeze, so you know what's going to happen when you get wet? Might be a little chilly, but it'll still feel good because it's hot too. Oh well, I'm going to go down on blue. And hold my nose. Ready? Oh my gosh. Oh man, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh man, it's a little chilly in here. We were cold last couple days, right? How you feel that little bit of cool breeze? It's a little chilly, huh? The water cooled up a lot. Instead of warmed up, it cooled up. But it was still fun and still refreshing. Now I want to see if she wants to go down the other slide. I'm not sure yet. If so, I'll walk over there with you. Go down the other slide. Yes, here we are. We are at Elmo's Silly Splashy Slides. Say that 10 times. Really quick. See if you can do it. It's a little tough. Alright, here we go. Up, up, up. Alright. You ready? Yes? Yeah. Which one you want? You want red or orange? Orange? I don't care. Whatever one you want, I'll take the other one. That's okay. Alright, Izzy's going on orange. I always end up on red. It's okay though. It's okay. Go ahead. You need help? Are you okay? Izzy, you need help? I think she's alright. Sit down, Iz. Sit down. Sit down, Iz. There you go. Now slide. Alright, you got it. I have to make sure. There she goes. There. Woo. And here I go. Oh. Whoa. Oh, jeez. This is so much fun. Gotta try the red slide. Gotta. She probably beat me down there. Whoa, there she is! Wow! Did you see that? I like spun all the way around. Oh man. I don't know how I did that. I was like almost upside down. All right, ready? Let's go on out. All right, was that fun? She wants to go back on the short slide again. You want to go back on the short slide? All right, that's the Abby slide, right? And then after that, you do the Elmo slide. Oh man, definitely chilly in the shade, huh? Although it's August 2nd, the weather has gotten a little bit less hot. And August is usually pretty hot too. But going around over here. Paige, are you done on the water rides? Yes. She's freezing. She's done. I don't know if Izzy is. I gotta find out. All right, we went down each slide once, but we're gonna head up into head up for Oscar's Whacky Taxi, the roller coaster. That's what we want to go on next. It is a little chilly, so do some dry rides and maybe go back and look at what they added for the dance party. Is that cool or what? I saw that from far away. I'm like, what's going on up there? It's just something they added. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's head over to Oscar's Whacky Taxi. We're waiting for Oscar's Whacky Taxi to come back around for us and checking out the construction going on over here. The building's looking really great. Can't wait for this to be done. Now I like that they opened this. I had this in my video yesterday. Subway Scram. Love that little store. And we're waiting. Oh, there it goes. Check it out. There it goes in the tunnel. Everybody's screaming. Oh, look at it. Wow. Awesome. All right, Izzy's in the very, very front. See her right there? She's going with Haley this time. And I want to get a recording, so I'm going to go over here and get a recording of them coming down. All right, there goes Haley and Iz. Up, 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 away. In the very, very front. She loves this ride. I want to see if I can get them coming down. It's going to be hard because they're going to be going super fast, so we'll see what we can get here. They'll come in and then going out the tunnel. Towards the tunnel and away. But they're going to be going so fast, it's going to be hard to get this. Ready? Ready? Let's see if we can capture them. I'm going to have to step back a little more. Here she goes. Here they come. Ready? I want to see what Izzy looks like. There they are. See? Woo! I don't know if I got that. I don't know if I got that. It's really bright out. See if I can see him over there. Well, we're definitely going to see their faces coming around here. You hear? There it goes. It's really fast too, the ride, and I don't mean like fast that way. Time-wise, it's only like about a minute. There they are. Iz! Was it fun, Iz? She's looking for me. Iz! Izzy! Izzy! Look, she's waiting. Yeah! Yay! Scram! I love when he says scram. He says my favorite part of the day. Beat it. Get lost and scram, he says. It's too funny. There goes little fishies swimming in the water. Right. You know, it's funny because Izzy never really came over here until yesterday. Now she loves it. I kept trying to get her in here. Now I can't get her out. She's having the best time of her life over here. We were actually headed to Elmo Surf and Slide, but we didn't quite make it. I gotta watch this because she keeps wanting to go under there, so she has to know not to. Right, Iz? Izzy does not want to come out of the water. She wants to stay in here. Right, Iz? And we were trying to get her to go on Elmo Surf and Slide. She's been there for like, seriously, 20 minutes and does not want to come out. She found her new spot she really likes. You're too funny, Iz. How many times I tried to get you in here and you wouldn't come in here? And then finally, you come in here. I can't get you out. Look, she's like, go away. Just flashing me and stuff. Although we were going to leave soon because... Did you get that in your eye? She went to splash and it went up in her face. That backfired. Oh, yep. It's getting me now. I got my glasses on, guys. Oh, boy. Clumpy feet here. Uh-oh, splash wars now. I'm getting it from back there. Her hands are going back and forth. I don't think, the only way Izzy would come out of here is if all the water drained out of here, I bet you. That's it. He's like, I'm not coming out. I'm staying in. Oh, boy. All right, we're headed up to Elmo Surf and Slide. It was really tough getting Izzy out of there, which I don't blame her. It's fun. I'm gonna have to bring her here one day and just like sit, get a spot over there, and let her go in the water. She absolutely loves it. Spend a whole day there. Like I said, the one day, just spend a whole day at the Count Splash Castle. That would be fun. Oh, did you hear that? Somebody just came flying through here. Super awesome. Okay. Up, up, up and away. Here we go. Line's pretty short. Nice. Say, super sweet. Super nice. Let me see it. Yeah. She's like, nah. You can brave it out. Oh, I love that. I love the mist that comes out there. It's so nice because it does get hot when you wait in line. You get under there. Awesome idea to have that to cool you off as you're waiting in line. I love them. Izzy's taking a little break on the step here. Oh, I see the people going out. Look, you can see them. You can see them over by the dance party. You see it right over top of the building there. They're moving up and down. There it goes. too funny. And we went on Oscar's Wacky Taxi. That was fun too. Liz, what happened? Did you get stuck? No. Izzy's a little afraid of heights, but it's okay. She always storms through it because she knows how fun the ride is, right, Ez? They put those away right before the dance party, so I watched them put them away. I was like, where'd they go? I was just showing that a minute ago, how those things are up in the air. I guess they put them away right before the dance party starts. All right, we are almost there. Here we go. There we go. Oh, I'm backwards. Up, there we go. Up on the ball. No, I'm backwards. I'm trying to spin it around. What? Whoa, and it worked. Woo! It's been like partially around. Partially. Oh, wow. Izzy. Watch this. Izzy, I'm scared. I'm scared. She flashes me in the face. I tell her I'm scared. I'm going to see how she reacts. Izzy. Oh, wait, here goes Izzy. Sometimes she just laughs at me. Whoa, Izzy! Awesome! Woo! Oh, look at that. Wow, there's all kinds of stuff dripping down. Oh, man, Iz, I'm cold. Oh, look, he gets in a roller coaster. Oh, my God, why is it going like that? Oh, I think, what do you think, Iz? You cooled off enough on this one? Yeah. There it goes. Whoa, Izzy! Wow, check that out. Woo! Wow, watch the waves come back, watch. Whoa, was that fun? No, she said, that was fun. We're only here for a couple hours, but we did have some fun. And we're headed out, right, Iz? She didn't want to go. But, yeah. See, that is what's nice about having a season pass. You could just come for a couple hours, have some fun, and leave. Come all day, come and go. It's awesome. So, we did have a great day. And she's squeaking her shoes. She's walking. And we'll see you next time. Sesame Place. Bye-bye for now. Paige had to do it one more time. She said it sounds like SpongeBob when he's wearing his boots. And which one was it again?
I don't know.
One of the... I know which one it was. Wasn't it the one with the spooky... I'm trying to remember. Oh, what was that called? When he was on the ceiling too, and he was mopping on the ceiling.
No, not that.
Oh, that's the one I remember.
Mr. Crab when he gave him the boots and he just...
Oh, the one with the boots, yeah. I was thinking Hash Sling and Slasher. That's what I was actually thinking of. Yeah, all right. Well, once again, bye-bye, Sesame Place. We will see you next time. It was a great day.
Wait a minute.